Member for Vancouver-Langara.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. There are very few places in life where I feel like I leave a piece of my heart behind every time I visit. In my beautiful riding of Vancouver-Langara, that place is Sunset Community Centre in the heart of South Vancouver. For me, Sunset is not just a building, it's part of my family's story. It's where I met my very first best friend after coming to Canada. It's where my children attended preschool, played basketball, learned music, and nervously stepped onto the ice for their very first skating lessons. It's where my husband taught our boys how to swim, and where my parents now spend several days each week enjoying tea, music, dancing, exercise, and friendship. For my family and for so many families in South Vancouver, Sunset Community Centre has been a sanctuary. The centre is operated through a partnership between the Vancouver Park Board and the Sunset Community Association, a volunteer organization that has spent decades creating programs and opportunities for the community. The history behind this centre is remarkable. Nearly 80 years ago, South Vancouver was growing rapidly with young families after the Second World War. At a time when there were few community spaces and limited resources, local residents dreamed of creating a place where children could play safely, where families could gather, and where neighbors could connect. So volunteers got to work. In 1945, the Sunset Community Association was formed. Community members organized fundraising campaigns and events to bring their vision to life. Then, in 1948, legendary singer Bing Crosby came to Vancouver for a fundraising concert that raised $26,000 in a single evening, helping turn a community dream into reality. What makes the Sunset story so special is not just the fundraising success. This center was built by ordinary people who believe deeply in creating opportunities for future generations. Over the decades, Sunset Community Centre became the heartbeat of South Vancouver and a welcoming place for one of the most culturally diverse communities in our province. In 2007, the beautiful Sunset Community Centre, designed by renowned architect Bing Tom, officially opened at Main Street and 51st Avenue. Today, the story continues with the opening of the new Sunset Senior Centre. For many older adults, especially those who may live alone and face language barriers, community spaces are essential to physical and mental well-being. I especially want to acknowledge the leadership and persistence of Mr. Balwinder Singh Wardach, who is the president of the Sunset Community Association and has championed for this project for many years. Mr. Wardach, and along with other residents, continues to champion the need for a new aquatic center in South Vancouver and in Sunset neighborhood. I'm pleased to share that the grand opening of the new Sunset Senior Center will take place on Tuesday, May 12th at 10 a.m. with festivities and an open house continuing until 3 p.m. This beautiful facility includes the commercial kitchen for meal programs, multi-purpose rooms, wellness and fitness spaces, and welcoming gathering areas where seniors can build friendships and stay connected with their community. This project has also been designed to meet advanced environmental and accessibility standards such as LEED Commercial Interiors Gold Certification, Rick Hansen Foundation Accessibility Certification, and electric HVAC systems with heat pumps. On behalf of the residents of Vancouver-Langara, I thank the dedicated board members of the Sunset Community Association for helping make these dreams possible. I warmly invite all members of this House and all British Columbians to visit the Sunset Senior Centre and Sunset Community Centre in the historic Punjabi Market area of Vancouver, Langara. Thank you, Madam Speaker.